Hey everybody, welcome back to FSP Forex Stock Predictions. Hope you're all having a great day. I am the Vortex Trader, and today we are on the DAX 30, the German 30, top 30 companies in Germany. We are on the 4-hour time frame, and we are looking at a potential double bottom that could be forming as we speak. Today is July the 6th. Let's get into this chart. So what are we looking at? Well, we can see that price has moved down, making a lower low and a lower high, making another lower low. And what I am interested in is this right here. We can see that price came down, right, formed a new support level, came back up, struggled to break this area right here as resistance. And now what I am looking to see is, let's see if price does something like this. Comes back down, right? Let's extend out this bar. I would then be looking, if price does do this, then that is a double bottom pattern. So I would then look for price to move back up, close above this area right here, which is called the neckline. Let's put it in. Neckline. Come on. There we go. Neckline. All right. I would look for price to break this neckline impulsively before retracing back into it. And once it done that, right, then I would look for price to carry on moving upwards, because double bottoms and double tops are reversal patterns, right? Now let's have a look. If we just look a little bit to the left, we can see one right here, a perfect double top that played out really, really nicely. What I'm going to do is highlight this neck zone right here, neckline, neck zone, whatever you want to call it. All right, there we go. There is our neckline, right? We can see that price moved up, formed one top right here, came back down, retested the support line, couldn't break through it, went back up, tried to break through this previous wick, which is resistance, couldn't do it, came back down and closed below this neckline right here, and then retraced back into it, and down she went. You see how these patterns work. So I'm looking for the exact same thing to happen here. However, this is still early days. This pattern has not yet finished forming. So I'm definitely going to be looking at this thing to see whether it does keep forming. Another reason that it's got me interested is this. If I just take this neck zone, neckline, and I drag it left, we can see that this was previous support, now flipped resistance, right? So we don't know if price is going to keep meandering and trying to break through this thing, or it is going to come down first before impulsively breaking away up from it, right? We're looking at the MACD's histogram. We do see some divergence so far. The sellers are weakening out here, but this thing could not, it's still early days. I would want to see another candle or two come down either today and tomorrow, just to see whether this pattern is finished forming or not. If it does that, then we will be waiting for a break to the upside, and then we can take a nice long position on the DAX 30 in the 4-hour time frame. And you guys do know that I am a swing trader. I do like taking entries on the 4-hour. I reference my daily chart first, and then I go into the 4-hour, and that is where I place my entries. All right, so let's have a wait and see how this thing plays out. Guys, if you could remember to hit that like and subscribe button, leave a comment in the comment section. If you want to support us on Patreon for the price of a cup of coffee, you can. We have exclusive courses on technical analysis. We do live streaming. There's a lot of fun stuff there. Check out our website. I've linked it below in the description. You can see how other traders analyze the markets. Always awesome to see. And you can follow us, of course, on Facebook. Our link is below in the description as well. All right. And on that note, let's wrap up today's little video, and I will be seeing you all in the next one. Thanks again for watching. See you in the next one.